All right, another how-to video. Hopefully this works. My 2013 Ford F-150. I got a steering issue. It's getting stiff when I turn. So I'll go in and kind of do a quick demo. Hopefully that don't fall. So when I turn the steering wheel, it's getting kind of stuck right here, and then it lets loose, stuck, real stiff all of a sudden. So there's two joints on here that I think I'm supposed to lubricate, or it could be a bigger problem. There's a joint right there, and then there's a joint right there that I'm supposed to throw some lubrication on. And I'm going to use this white lithium grease and see if we can get it back to normal. It's one of the things I love about this truck is it steers unbelievably well. Unbelievably well. Hope I can get my hand in there. I don't know if this is the right stuff to be using or not. It says it's for steering. I'm gonna have to get a stool to get up and get this other one. I'm able to get it right there. See if I can see it. Yeah. Ooh, something's hot that I'm leaning on right now. Radiator. Let's go back in and fire it up. I don't know if that stuff penetrated at all. It's still grabbing a little bit. Hit it with some white lithium grease and some PB Blaster. Let's see if that works. It actually fixed it. Cake. Well, I just got a spot in my driveway I got to clean up. All right. First thing we tried was the white lithium grease. That kind of worked, but it did not get it to 100%, so I went with the old standby, which is PB Blaster. I'll put a link for these products in the description of this video. I'm actually going to go ahead and buy that shaft. I'll put a link in the description of the video for that too. It's on Amazon for like $49.99, and I have a friend who's going to throw it on there for me. I'll give him probably 50 bucks. So for 100 bucks you can replace this part and get it back to 100%. But if you want a quick fix, you can use the products that I just used. It worked, except for the big stain in my driveway that I have to clean up. So thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button, and have a nice day. Oh boy, that's from spinning my tires, and that's from shooting that stuff on there.